Okay, so the Hover Air 8K X1 Pro Max. Now, I know I've seen some other folks show this. It is currently on sale until the 25th of January, from $600 down to $400. So if you're an adventurer and you want a camera that'll follow you, it'll go up to 26 miles an hour, burst speed of 34, 8K, syncs to your phone. My only issue, I already lost the drone I got for Christmas because of the wind here. It's just the way it is. All right, moving along. Oura! So gold size 7, silver size 4. This is the 4th gen models. So size 8. So I have the Oura Ring 3. However, I've lost it. It slid off my index finger because I got a size too big and from losing a little bit of weight. So why is the gold $150 more than the silver? Is it a premium color? It's got 2 chargers. That's actually kind of cool, because the Gen 1 only had 1. I had to carry it with me all the time. That's so effing weird. Okay. Oh, it says sizes 7 through 9 here in the club. I wear a size 12 for my index finger. Well, like I said, a lot of electronics are really, really good in warehouse. I highly recommend.